Good evening, guys. So I'm back with new insight, new experience, new thing. Okay, let's get started. Where we are, where we are. We are on Monday evening. Okay, currently I'm closing it. Okay, uh, not a worry. Anyhow, I can save this chart. Any option is there or not? I don't think so. Not an issue. Okay. So today's trades. Okay. Today's trade. So I traded my system given signal to sell here. I patiently waited and give command that I will sell at this bottom, not to trade here. Okay, I have cases. I have many repeated patterns that eventually gives me to not trade here. Okay, just a second. I will show you. Here is the one situation. Here is the somehow another situation is that this bear bar telling to go for sell, go for bear move, and market reverses. Here is the this bear bar telling to go for sell, bear move, and uh, fading happen. So I just waited myself, patiently waited. I just got long here in this bear bar at this price. Okay, I sorted the put option. Yes, before that, before one case, I found similar situation. I got entered here somewhere. Okay, uh, let me go through back as well for another trade which I took. Okay, on this is the Tuesday's chart, Wednesday's chart. What happened? I traded again this pattern. Okay, this is the similar structure, fourth bar. It given sell signal, it's bear bar, and very next bar is the two bar reversal. Okay, market is going upside, and at this EMA, I remember that on Wednesday I added the position here, another position. First position created at this level. I am adding two position and to gain more profit or betting on the day will be trendy. Okay, what was happen? Then market came back to original position. So in this type of case, what I'm normally doing, just putting break even SL of this position and keeping the SL of that position both SL2 at this level. Okay, so on that day loss occurred in second position which I traded here. Okay, and I closed my day. So same probability, I thought, same thought, uh, it is in bear trend. Right now we are in trading range for upside movement. So same thought, I just go for long here again, second position. Okay, at this time I bought the call. Here I sold the put. Here I bought the call, and at around this point I exited all the position. Now, if you carefully observe, this is the square I formed. Same here, I formed a square. Okay. Here also I sorted from top. Okay. Now, this square given sell signal here. So what I did, I just moved that stop loss which I sorted here. I am moving stop loss to at here. That if any case or if case happen that market is reversing and breaks this range, so I will go long from here. Okay, and I am doing that. I exited that short position. I am doing long somewhere here up to this high. I am exiting from that position. Today what happened? I exited this point. So that is my biggest I can't say biggest, but that is the weak point. I waited this much, not till this time. This is the 11:40 to 12 o'clock. I created range and I tried to create again position. Okay, uh, I have research and I have some data that if you are creating this type of range and trading it, so if it gives signal in your direction, then you should be in the already in first position. Okay, if you are selling here, I sold here, it gives me selling signal here, so I am already in positions. I have nothing to do it, I have to just wait. But what I did, at here I just created position of buy at this bar and I got trapped. Yeah, I keep the SL up to here. This is the 10 points in option, 20 points in Nifty chart. It's zero point 0.5 delta I am trading because of risk versus reward. So I am planning to trade 1 versus 1 because it is at the top of the range. I have one example as well that have uh, analysis. Their market is in range of Fridays. Look at the Fridays range at bottom, top, and today we are traded just between that. So chances are very high that we may not see bigger ranges. Okay, this is not too much range. Market hardly moved 7 to 80 points. Okay, and it is in channel. It is in channel form. It is in trading range form. Okay, so uh, another thing is that, okay, let's go back on trendy days. Okay, let's say if you are somewhere traded here. Okay, at this moving average, you are adding the position. This is the 11:35. This is the 11:55, and you are again adding here. This is the great chances. Okay, uh, hope for, or I am taking my case. I am mainly concentrate on this type of trading range, this type of trendy days, and it will give reward uh, bigger than we thought. Same what happened here. I created position at this point. Market moved in my favor up to 40 Nifty points. Then what happened? At this EMA, I am adding the position, and it take out my break even SL. I end up in losing that trade. Okay, so today I rewarded with that position, but this move is not rewarded me. So nothing to worry. Uh, I will. I am somehow knowing that this range is not going to break. Okay, it is in trading range. So I bet on that this type of day can occur too. Okay, I am also observing the DEX. So we are at the time at 12 o'clock. We are just exactly following the DEX. So DEX today traded lower than open. Yes. Now, yeah, this is the interesting price action going on. I have to create video on it. It's interesting. This is the fading going on. Okay. So lessons. What are the lessons for today? Okay. So use have to wait till this time. Okay. I exited at this top. I have to wait for this time, and this is the time of 11:40. So what can I do? For that, I have thought. I just came with thought that you just hold till 3 hours, 2 hours. Fix your time. What will be your rewarded by market? You take it. Okay. In this type of situation, if you are holding here at the top, then you are holding until, let's consider you are holding till 12 o'clock. Okay, you exit at exit 12 o'clock. You are rewarded with this. Great. Same goes with here, but in this type of structure, you are taking loose position. I can't hardly taking consider it. Okay, machine can do that. We can also do that, but somehow we need to prepare ourselves for such circumstances like this. Okay, if you are selling somewhere here at the top, so we don't want to price count to hit our break-even SL or SL. So we need to prepare for that. Same goes with here. These 2 days are trading range. Okay. Uh, yes. Uh, Look, you have to do on whatever you do, you on consistent basis. You don't want miracle. Okay. Uh, and want to do for consistent basis, you have to just research and some do homework, that how can you do, what will happen if situation goes again. Let's taking the case here. So at that time I traded at here this long. Okay, now suppose risk reward, where is the, okay, so how much my risk is, okay, I exited, let's see, I exited at this top. Now this is my risk reward 2.91, almost 3, around, let's consider 2.9. so what it means that I can do this much as well 3 times. Okay, if I want to trade further in consistent basis, further in future, so it is the same SL today it take out. Okay, this is the 16.80, it slightly increased to 20 points. Okay, but at that time I earned 40 points. So on probability basis, what we are saying, that these 40 points, it means I can divide that profit with 15 or 20 SL. So somehow I have to deal with that probability that goes against me, like today. Okay, I bought here and situation goes against me. So what will happen? That loss can't go more than this much. Can I do with that? Just ask yourself. Can you deal with it? Can you minimize it? If you are able to minimize it, if you are figuring out that, oh, market is going, chances are high that it will go up and up and up, then you definitely trade. Trade for 1:1. It is also best approach. Okay, but here is the range is more. Then after I realized all the trade, of course, all the traders realizes after that happened at the end of the day. So that is the biggest lesson that, and of course, I want to discuss this with you. That if you are taking SL, that's fine, but make sure that you on consistent basis you are just transparent to yourself and pretty accurate to yourself. Okay, how accurate? You just write down or make Excel sheet and put appropriate SL taken, profit booked. Okay, so whenever next time you are taking trade, you are, let's say you are selling the 0.5 put option, then in this 20 range, what is your SL? SL is just of 10 rupees in put option. So you are taking that, fine. In this situation, market moved almost 40 points. So if you are trading with 0.5 delta, then your reward will be here is around 20 points. So somehow you have to capture that 20 points. Okay, and you will. Okay, if you buying call option, then its delta gradually will increase at 50. So you able to achieve that. Okay, if you are selling put option, then you will be rewarded with slightly lower premium. Okay, let's say if you just market mode 40 points, then you will be rewarded with 18, 17, but you will rewarded nearer to 20 points. Okay, so make consistent note of that. And yeah, that's a key lesson for today. Okay, that's it, guys.